is another beautiful day, and it is an absolutely great day to get some snow shoveling done. Absolutely not, but it's necessary. Out there, about 15 feet, is the septic, and the pump out was supposed to be here before the blizzard, and as you can see, there's a hell of a lot of snow now. They are scheduled to be here in about 2 days. I need to get from here to there to create a path. And you say, why the hell are you cutting this path? Why don't they just drag it around the house? They have to drag the hose through the garage because the distance around the house is too great. And so what I'm going to do for your viewing pleasure is see how quickly this dumbass old man can shovel through this snow, which is now being packed down because it is a little bit after the blizzard, to get from here to there. And again, for your viewing pleasure, and if I can with this camera and software, I'll speed this up. But anyway, I'm hoping to get this done in about 15 minutes. It's not recommended. Snow shoveling is I think a #1 cause of heart attacks, but I work out an hour a day. So let's give it a shot and see what happens. And back there is actually an in-ground pool that you can no longer see because of the snow. Anyway, let's get at it. I gotta get this done before my wife comes out. She already knows I'm out of my mind. This will just give her another excuse to confirm it. Anyway, there's some pavers down here, red brick, not pavers, and follow that path. Gotta go down here. This is unbelievable. Go down this way and should work to a more open area. Yeah, like I said, I would not recommend this. I always look at this as a workout. And we'll see if I can get this done. In 15 minutes, holy shit, or less. Yeah, I got more snow coming in. Over the next couple of days. So if I don't get this done now, when I need to do it, so that pile right there is the drifts from the blizzard. Wow, we're 5 feet. Certain areas. But I am old. would say I'm a little crazy. Should be right there. But I have fun with it. Which is kind of important. And this snow, it's getting heavy. It's getting packed down. It's heavy when it came down. But as it sits here, it just becomes a little bit more heavy every day. So you can drag that lovely hose through the garage out here. I gotta get water from the house, from the outside spigot, which is over there. This is gonna be another journey, so I can wash the pump hose down before they drag it back through the house. Like I said, not recommended. For many people to do this. You can kind of hear that ice down the bottom. This is a good sign. You got paved stone pavers. Usually there's a grill here, but it's over there on that bed of the snow. And on the other side of that.
Please charge at any time.
Battery's about to run out. So, I had one bit of intelligence, because I had shoveled this out before, and I had put a piece of plywood over the cover. Now I'm at the plywood, that's cool. I got to do a kind of like a 5-foot circle around here. That'll be shoveled out. Like I said, over there's a spigot. I gotta get a hose from there to here so he can wash his equipment down. Once he's all done pumping out that good stuff. Alright. That's a good start. And the camera just barked in my ear that the battery's getting low. So I'm not sure what you end up seeing. And there's the dirt on the right hand side. And obviously there's dirt on the left. Fuck. Excuse me. Yeah, go watch that. All right. Let's go on that side. So I'm going to go straight up. I guess the key is don't take full shovels.
Please charge in time.
Not sure I'm going to get this done. Actually, I should. Before the battery craps out. And that's it. It's the end of the board. That's cool.
Charge in time.
And there you go. Knock that off. Clean that up.
Charge in time.
All right. And that is opening up the septic cover. I don't know, 10 minutes. Anyway, you all have a great day.